to another video. Today I'm going to be installing a Vorsteiner wing. Alright, so what you see here is one of the brackets that I already put some hardware on, so it doesn't come like this. This comes from another wing that I bought prior. I bought it in the pandemic and I didn't really like it. This is my second purchase of one of these wings. So in total I bought 3 wings. One came messed up. The other one was a Vorsteiner replica as well. Plates were plastic, didn't have Vorsteiner written on it, so I didn't like it, and it was plastic. So here are the brackets, and it comes with some hardware here, pretty good hardware. But since I already had that other wing, I'm just going to use this hardware. That's how the nuts or the screws look. They're a little bit shorter than the ones that I got from the other splitter that has like some washers there. I can actually use these washers, and these have like some nuts that come with it, with the ceramic thing inside of it, so those won't back out. Also, let me show you the other thing here. So the other wing that I bought came with this, but it came with like the weather strip on the bottom there and these really long screws and bolts. And for the winglet part, where you have to adjust the winglet, it came with these things here. So what I did was just took this hardware and transferred it into here. And I did a little really rinky-dinky job with cutting it out, and it's okay because it's going to get smushed down to the trunk, and you can barely see that. And I can clean it up a little bit more with a razor blade. So basically what you guys are seeing here is the hardware from this on here. This one is mostly a universal kit for any other cars. They did a pretty good job on this. Even the Vorsteiner, look at that there. Let me bring it up close, if you're wondering. So if you're a BMW guy, you pretty much know about this. I mean, I wasn't going to pay $3,000 for the real one because even the hardware is not going to work with my car. You're driving a BMW and you're watching this video and you wonder how this hardware looks. Yeah, they are, I believe they're made in China. Some of these are good and you might get some that's bad, but this is the best one that I've seen on eBay. Now I really wanted the one that was black. The drilling on this is near perfect. I'm talking about, like, it looks exactly like the Vorsteiner. You can see the umlauts there. Yeah, I do speak a little bit of German, by the way. I did take German in high school, and I've been to Germany as well. So yeah, this is very good. A little bit of a scuff here, the machinery. So I'm not sure how long this is gonna stay on here. It's paint or whatever it is. Right here in the corner. I mean, I could have done that, but who knows. So let's get ready to, let me just go ahead and jump into installing this. I'm gonna have to take these stripes off because putting this on here, I don't know if it's gonna be too much. So it's carbon fiber. It's a really good carbon fiber. Look at that. Super good job on this. Absolutely. I'm not sure how long it would last in the sun, but it looks pretty damn awesome here. this is pretty good. I'm good. The resin on it is really shiny. The Vorsteiner will be going on the outside of it, so I'm going to be putting this here. This is going here. Just need an Allen key for this. Positioning holes here, but you can go up or down. I'm gonna put it in the second one just so it can, maybe the second one. Let's see how that would look. And the second one will give it that a little aggressive stance. All right, guys. So I got the everything on the spoiler here. What I pretty much have to do is, I don't have anybody to hold it up for me, so I'm going to be holding it up with this little thing here. Let me show you guys how this look. I have this thing here holding it up for me. Alright, so I'll let you guys see how it looks when I finish. Oh, I forgot, I got to trace the lines here on the tape, so I can measure from the corner from here to here. Line in the back, I've made a line here. From the line here to here, and make sure it kind of comes out the same on both sides. So from here, if I measure 3 inches here, I should measure 3 inches on the other side as well. Alright guys, so I drew like a little template of the bottom of this, but if you're not a professional and you don't have all of the tools and the measurement, if you don't have all the tools, it's going to be pretty tough. So I pretty much traced the bottom of the brackets, and there's holes on the bottom here, so I had to measure the holes and everything on the bracket. So what I decided to do is just put the screws in and line them up where I made the measurements. So right here, what I want to do is trace around these little studs here to make sure I go inside that hole. This way I know that the hole is right there. I never installed one of these before, so I'm trying to use every bit of the sense that God gave me. So the circle that I just made, that's where I'm going to be making my drills. The center of these. Make that hole a little bit bigger. I drilled through here and here. Alright, so I got the screws in with a washer, and it has a piece of metal you can see in between there. This one also had it. It's on there. Yeah. I'm almost finished here. Okay, so there's the wing in the back. Doesn't really block anything. Still can see out. The only thing is you gotta get used to it being back there. You might think it's a car or something when you look back really fast. Maybe if the trunk was black, most definitely gives it some kind of character. I will be putting another spoiler on the bottom here, so it could be double spoiler gang on it, and then I'm gonna wrap it carbon fiber. I couldn't find the spoiler. It's like a RS spoiler for the Chevy Cruze. Once I get that spoiler on there, it'll probably look a little better. I still gotta like get used to this. Yeah, this wing is pretty sick. I'm used to it having that duckbill, so I'm gonna put a duckbill on there. I'm gonna put a smaller spoiler here, something that's a little bit flatter, because I noticed like if you get something that kicks up a little bit too high, it really clashes with this thing. It's on here pretty tight too. Couldn't believe how good the install was. I am going to be switching out some stuff on the back. Got the winglets there. In the front and playing around with this car. I'm probably, since the wing is on here, I gotta really switch out, change the look a little bit. But if anything, I'll keep it to where it is. If I like the way it looks when I put the other spoiler on the back. So yeah. I'm really trying to like this. I'm not sure how much I like it or not, but standing out from the car, I like it. But when I see it on camera, it just looks weird. But it's on there now. I'm gonna have to ride around with it, so maybe it's gonna grow on me. Like I said, the back is a little bit too far up, so giving it another layer on top of here will probably make that look a little better. I did want to get like a duckbill, a smaller duckbill, but they don't have one for the Chevy Cruze. So they do have like eBay spoiler stuff. I didn't want to go and get another eBay spoiler and it comes in and it's not the right height. It doesn't fit as good. I mean, it's not that bad either. And if I want to, I can take it back a little bit further. But I mean, this probably is the best spot for it. As far as like, you know, maneuvering around the car, this you don't bump into this or nothing like that. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching, man. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. Spoiler's not that bad, but I'm not used to it. I don't know. I'm going to make a lot of changes. I might end up just wrapping the whole roof carbon fiber and the hood as well. All right, guys.